Are you paying more on your mortgage than you need to? Today, we're diving deep into the crucial decision that could save or cost you thousands. Principal and interest versus interest-only loans. Stick around. This might be the most important financial decision you make this year. Hey, I'm PK and welcome to the channel, where we break down complex property and development concepts into simple, actionable insights. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video that could transform your financial future. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, so make sure you consult with a qualified professional to understand what's best for your specific situation. Let's start by breaking down the basics. A principal and interest loan requires you to pay back both the loan's principal, so the amount you borrow, and the interest, the cost of borrowing. On the other hand, an interest-only loan means you're only paying the interest for a set period, leaving the principal untouched. Now, before we dive deeper into which option might be best for you, I want to share something that could significantly boost your property development journey. Connect with fellow property developers in the Little Fish Network, our free online community. Learn from experts, share insights, and get support you need to thrive. Visit littlefishnetwork.com or scan the QR code on the screen. So, when should you choose a principal and interest loan? This option is ideal if you're looking to build equity and secure long-term ownership. With each payment, you're reducing your debt and moving closer to a full ownership. But remember, these payments are genuinely higher than interest-only loans. Now, let's talk about interest-only loans. These are the often popular with investors or those who want to lower initial payments. This loan type can free up cash flow for other investments, but there's a catch. Once the interest-only period ends, your payments will spike and you'll still owe the entire principal. This could put pressure on your finances if you're not prepared. To summarize, principal and interest loans build equity and reduce debt faster, but come with higher payments. Interest-only loans offer lower payments up front and greater flexibility, but can lead to a payment shock when the interest-only period ends. Both have their merits, but the key is choosing the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Let's consider some real-life scenarios. If you're planning to hold on to an investment property long-term, principal and interest might be your best bet. But if you're flipping properties or managing multiple investments, interest-only could offer the flexibility you need. Just be sure you've got an exit strategy. So, what's next? First, analyze your financial goals and timeline. Are you focused on cash flow now or building long-term wealth? Next, consult with a financial advisor or mortgage broker to explore how each option impacts your financial future. Remember, it's not just about today's payments, but also how your decision will affect you down the line. Choosing the right loan isn't just about saving money. It's about aligning your mortgage with your life goals. If this video helped clarify your options, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out our detailed guides linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your financial future. Happy developing!